This pink Spitfire may look like a quirky paint job, but it's not what you think, because this unusual color played a crucial role in World War II, offering a unique advantage to the Allied forces. Why would anyone paint a military aircraft pink? The answer is as surprising as it is ingenious. Imagine the chaos of World War II without accurate intelligence. If this pink camouflage hadn't been invented, vital reconnaissance missions might have failed, putting countless Allied lives at risk and potentially altering the course of the war. Accurate reconnaissance was the backbone of strategic planning, and without it, the Allies would have been flying blind. The pink Spitfire was first noted by RAF pilots during the intense aerial battles over Europe. At dawn and dusk, these specially painted aircraft took to the skies, blending into the unique lighting conditions of early morning and late evening. These times were critical. The low light conditions made traditional camouflage less effective, creating a need for something innovative. Enter the pink Spitfire. So, why pink? Since the dawn of aerial warfare, there has always been a need to make aircraft invisible to enemies while still maintaining some form of identification for friendly forces. The pink Spitfire was a brilliant solution. The soft pink color helped these aircraft blend into the sky's natural hues at sunrise and sunset, making them incredibly difficult to spot. This wasn't just a random choice. The pink paint was tested and proven to be effective in the specific lighting conditions of dawn and dusk, where the sky takes on a pinkish hue. This strategic choice allowed reconnaissance pilots to gather critical intelligence without being easily detected by the enemy. The innovation didn't stop there. Pilots and engineers constantly adapted to ensure their aircraft had the best chance of remaining unseen. As the war progressed, the use of camouflage evolved. The pink camouflage wasn't limited to just a few planes. It became part of a broader strategy of deception and stealth. Other aircraft, like the Mosquito bombers, also adopted unique paint schemes for specific missions. The variations in markings and colors were all designed to give Allied forces an edge in different combat scenarios. For instance, Mosquito bombers used their speed and agility, combined with unique camouflage, to execute precision strikes and reconnaissance missions. The pink Spitfire, along with other uniquely camouflaged aircraft, played a significant role in several key operations, where pink Spitfires provided critical reconnaissance that led to the successful planning of a major offensive. The intelligence gathered helped the Allies anticipate enemy movements and prepare their forces accordingly. Was the use of pink paint on Spitfires effective? Absolutely. These stealthy reconnaissance missions provided invaluable information, contributing to many Allied successes. The legacy of the pink Spitfire reminds us of the creativity and resourcefulness that defined World War II aviation. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below.